Alright, today we're going to do a dance tutorial on how to do the vibe dance by Taeyang Jimin. Many of you requested it and I can understand why. It's great and it's going viral at the moment. So let's just try and break it down step by step and I'm going to make it as easy as possible for you guys. Okay, starting with mini section 1, let me just show you a quick preview. So what we're going to learn is this part. Alright, let me break it down for you. So what you want to do is take a step with your right leg, here's at the front, boom. Pretty simple, right? At the same time, you also want to say up, down, alright? The accent is more on like boom, alright? So it's not like it's more like boom, boom, alright? Notice how I just went ahead and did the second step. So right, left, okay? So right, left, and also the same with the legs, right, left. So far, so good, right? So we did right, left. Now from here, what you want to do is throw your arms like this. Whoa, all right? Whoa. And at the same time, what you want to do is go back with your right, all right? Let me just show it from the side. It's going to be easy to see. So this was from the tip to top, right, left. I went prep, slide back, up here, all right? And then let me just show you the last thing as well. I want to take a step with the front and go up, down, okay? Let me just show you to the front again. So, whoom, whoom, I went back, and then I went front, okay? All of them are hitting these beats in the background, but I'm just going to explain the lyrics so that it will be easier for you to understand, okay? So, from the tip to the top, let me just show you again. We did right, left, go back, to the front, okay? Let's just try that. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're gonna go right, left, back, front. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left, back, front. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, back, front, okay? Now, as for the timing, I tried to look up the lyrics. It goes something like this. 이 밤이 끝나기 전이. Okay? So the cues are 밤이 끝나기 전이. So let's just practice that one last time. I'm just going to say 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to go 이 밤이 끝나기 전이. Okay? 5. Of course, a bit slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 이 밤이 끝나기 전이. Alright, moving on to mini section 2. Let me show you a quick preview. So, we ended here. This was end of mini section 1. 2 goes boom, 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 boom. Now, let me explain. So, this was end of 1, so we're kind of here prepping for the next step, which is we want to say and jump. Okay, let me show it from the side. So what I'm doing here is, this was 1 here. So I'm already on my way to have this right leg coming to the front because I want to go jump. Okay, so I went from here, this was end of 1. Jump, okay? And my arms are just going out to the sides like that. Okay, let me just show it from the side, it's going to be easy to see. So, this was end of 1, 2 goes, hey ya! Okay, just start with me, 5, 6, 7, 8, hey ya! Now, what I want to do from here is say, the legs are just saying, leg, kick, in, left out. Okay, so, kick, in, out. So start with me. Kick, in, out. Let me show it from the side. Kick, in, out. Alright? And at the same time, what I want to do is I'm going to start with a kick. And then as soon as I bring it in, I'm going to start rolling, clap. Okay, so let's just do the arms. The arms are going roll. And again, down here, we want to say clap. So from here, whoop, roll, and clap. Again, roll, and clap. Now the tricky part is we just want to wait until we've done the kick and then we say roll and down. Just try it with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. We say kick, roll, down. Try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We say kick, roll, roll. One at a time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We say kick, roll, roll. When I do it a bit fast, it's gonna look like this. Boom, 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 kick, and a roll. Okay, before we start practicing, let me just explain the timing. The timing is beats. There are some sounds that says ka, 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 ka. That's what we're trying to hit with this. Right? So we just did this. This was in a 1, 2 goes ka, 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 ka. Alright? I'm just gonna show you again. We went ka, 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 ka. Just try with me. I'm gonna go slow. Okay? 5 from here, and then we want to jump. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go ka, 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 ka. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go ka, 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 ka. Alright guys, feel free to pause the video and practice if you need to practice some more. Okay guys, let's just try and combine mini section 1 and mini section 2 so that we don't forget the first few moves, alright? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run through mini section 1 and 2 and then we're going to practice. Okay, so quick run through. It starts left, right, throw it back, to the front, and the new part, boom, kick, and down. Let me show it from the side as well. So I'm going right, left, throw it back, front, jump, kick, and down. Now, as for the timing, it goes like this. 이 밤이 그나 기전이 가, 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 가. Okay, so remember the mini section 2 is on the beats ka, 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 ka. So I'm just going to show the timing one more time. It goes like this. 이 밤이 그나 기전이 가, ka, ka, ka. Alright guys, time to practice. We're going to start slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. 이 밤 그나 기전이 가, 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 가. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. 이 밤 그나 기전이 가, 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 가. One last time, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 이 밤이 그나 기전이 가, 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 가. Okay, once you're ready to move on, then let's move on to mini section 3. Let me show you a quick preview. So this is NF2. 3 goes whoop, 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 whoop. Okay, let me break it down for you. Luckily, this is only arms. So from here, well, except for this first part here, you just want to stand up. And at the same time, you also want to transition into this position, all right? So you went from here, so the arms are going boom, and then it goes up, all right? You're doing that as when you're going up. So I went from here to here. Let me show you again. From here, arms are going whoop. Now from here, what you want to do is push whoop. And then you want to say, look to the left. And then you want to bring the arms down. And then you want to say, look down to your rightish. Alright? Let me just recap here. So this is NF2. 3 goes. Up. Push. Look. Down. Look. Now, as for the timing, very simple. They sing, you know we got that. Alright? So, starting from down here, we're going, you know we got that. Pretty simple, right? Let's try and practice that. So I'm going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're going to go, you know we got that. Okay, let's practice. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go, you know we got that. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. You know we got that. Let's try that a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. You know we got that. Again, feel free to pause the video and practice some more if you need to, but if you're ready to move on, then let's move on to mini section 4. Okay, mini section 4, let me show you a quick preview. This is end of 3. 4 goes boom, boom, A, boom, A. Now let me explain. So, this is where we ended at mini section 3. 4 goes, you want to take your right arm that's in here, you want to swing it up here, out to the side, and now you want to say switch. Alright, so I'm sort of going around behind my head here. Boom. So just like a snake-ish. First it's going out, then it's going in, out, up-ish. Okay? Just follow my hands. Boom, like a snake. Way. Alright, so I'm going way, way, up. Way, way, up. Way, way, up. That's basically it. So from here, boom. Okay? Now what you want to do from here is take a step with your right, so you're lifting it and say boom. Alright? And then you want to move your body as if you're going this way, down. This way, down. That's the move. Way, and. Way, and. Way, and. Just try that a few times. So, let me just recap here. What I did is I went with my right arm, snaky thing, and then I want to say step right, and then I want to say move, A. And then the second time I want to say just whatever you bring your arm down, however you want. Alright, so first time, A. Second time, A. Okay, so I'm going boom, and. Okay, as for the timing, before I show it, let me just try and sing it. It goes boom. Va boom, cap, baby, cap. Alright, so let me show with the moves here. It goes boom, va boom, cap, baby, cap. Alright, time to practice. So from here, we're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go boom, va boom, cap. Baby cap. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. Va boom. Cap. Baby cap. Alright, let's try that a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Boom. Va boom. Cap. Baby cap. Okay guys, I think it's time to do it all the way from the tip to top. So now we're going to do mini section 1, 2, 3, and 4, okay? I'm going to do a quick run through and then we're going to practice. Okay, quick run through. We're going right, left, back, up, and jump. Boom. And then kick, roll, down, up, push, look, down, look, boom. And then you want to say step, round, down, and step, round, down. Okay, let's do it from the side as well. So we're going right, left, back, front, jump, kick, roll, down, and up, push, look, down, look, boom, step, around, here, around. Now with the timing, it goes like this. 이 밤이 끝나 이 전에 카, 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 카. You know we got that. Boom, va boom. Cat, baby, cat. Alright, time to practice. 5, 6, 7, 8. 이 밤이 끝나기 전에 cat, 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 cat. You know we got that. Boom, va boom. Cat, baby, cat. Alright, let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 밤이 끝나기 전이 카. You know we got that boom, va boom, cat, baby, cat. Again, feel free to practice at your own pace. I'm just gonna do one last time a bit faster, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 이 밤 끝나기 전에 카. You know we got that boom, va boom. Cat, baby, cat. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.